U2's 4 plush is now live.
Make sure to get it because once it's gone for good.
Order it on youtube.com.
Yeah!
Too late. What?
Fanny, what is this? What the?
Guys, I don't know what's happening. I can't hold it back.
Two, we need you to... Huh? What are you doing?
How do you think I've been poofing away your friends? I'm trying to fix this guy. I did everything. Two's got the sauce. And this time, I need all the power.
Hey, that's what we're all battling for.
It's for good, though. Take some. Go hold off that rift. You two.
Ow! I hate you! This burns!
Everyone else got it. Your turn, Robotty.
Leslie still needs his share.
Not yet. This is the last of it. Hold it off already.
Or what the flake happened?
Okay, plan B. Okay.
I hate improv!
Hey, maybe if everyone helped. Robotty is doing nothing. Robotty? Where's Robotty? Also, has anyone seen X?
Here we go! That should do it!
Woodster, I thought we were over this. What is it now?
Like something like totally weird is happening, guys. Come look. Oh gosh, I hope like Pencil is okay.
Where do you think you're going, X?
She's right. We need you now more than ever.
Hey, oh! Okay.
What happened?
Oh no! Leave me! Leave me!
Ew!
People, can we find a distraction for these guys? Fine.
Hey, Two!
When you bake a cake, decorate and take it to the players who are safe. That's how you know it's cake and steak.
Today's cake is a clip. If you are safe, I'll play a little celebration in favor of you.
Okay, so Team 2.
First safe. Buck, with 55,447 votes. And what is safety without friends? With 33,305 votes, price tag you're safe.
Wait, but Snowball!
Grassy, I can't believe it. No.
And with 28,330 votes, Grassy stays in the game.
No!
No! SD!
Grassy, I've been surrounded by weaklings and wimps for as long as I can remember, but you really impressed me. You can do this. For the strongest team on Earth, you've got this. Remember, stay strong.
You know, I'm getting real sick of all these other hosts. Grassy, here. I'll be back.
And now I'm Snowy Grassy! Hey! Sorry, Grassy, not now.
What's it gonna take to move you? You took my show, so do it already!
It's my fault.
What the? Where is she?
I was the one who pushed her to the kitchen and she disappeared. I still remember her, but she's gone. Somehow she's just gone. I tried bringing her back, but I don't think I'm powerful enough. And Four, are you listening?
I knew it. She's back.
And I want that back at some point. Ugh, who cares?
Okay, now it's your turn while we stay for another day.
First up for Dodo, then you are safe with 45,072 votes.
Such fun! Can I have my own video?
Yeah, okay.
Hooray!
Just kidding. Tennis ball is safe with 31,260 votes.
Why did you do that?
I don't know, bored I guess. Well, what? How did it escape? Just stay here until you calm down.
You thought tying it up would get it to calm down?
Wow, wow! Ouch! Ow! No! Ow! Help! Ow!
Ouch. Bottle is safe next.
Finally, my very own video!
Ah, that force ruined your video. Sorry, Bottle.
What are you talking about? I love this song!
Wait, bottom two? Not again.
The last contestant safest.
Whoa, what's the holdup?
Because I'm out with 15,479 votes. Lie is safe with 22,150 votes. No respect for us mechanical lives, so let's see how much respect they have for each others. Today's challenge is the Battle Royale. It will be a fight for survival, where you will all have to fight to be the last one standing. The first two teams to lose all their members are up for elimination. Go.
Cut it out!
Black Hole, are you coming?
Are you serious? Tree, this is much more important.
What the? I'm hideous!
Wait! Tree, you look awesome! Fanny, you coming? Pencil! Stop!
Winner! Alliance, remember?
Stop it, you. I'm busy.
He's our first target. I'm just sick of him being aggressive with us.
Really? Black Hole? I thought he was pretty nice on Death Pact.
He destroyed our hiding spot. He ripped me apart last challenge. And even after all I did preventing death, he still didn't support me when I was eliminated.
Well, nobody did, but none of us had it out for you. We just didn't get it. I'm sure if you talked to Black Hole,
You're really going to take his side? Clearly they still have it out for me, or they wouldn't be sabotaging me. That whole team had it out for me, Pen.
Did you think I had it out for you?
Guys, be nice.
Whatever. I can take care of this.
I should get back to my post.
Later, hater.
No, stop!
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, no big.
Phew, the perfect hiding spot.
No, you two. What? Grr.
Where do you think you're going, Death Pacter?
Beep! I don't wanna fight! Why don't you trust us? Wait, lie! Trust! We're about creating trust too! This token contains power! Tree trusted me with it, and now I want you to hold on to it!
You trust me?
Yes! I do! No! Ah!
Thanks, Marker.
You didn't go bye-bye, huh? What are you up to? I know you're here. I've seen that moon be open. I thought you'd just go away.
Finally! Freedom!
We don't want to be out there at all.
Ugh, more nonsense. How do we get out of here, Purple Face?
The way I entered? It's locked!
Take us there now!
I'm trying to save you! The least you can do is ask nicely. Okay, this way, quick!
What you making, Teebs?
What is going...
No, little horse! I thought we were
Ugh, I guess I'm cleaning it. No worries.
There's enough doodads in here to gear up with. Get searching.
Ow! Hey, watch it! Hey, come on! Okay, it's hard to feel like this isn't deliberate now. Team, let's use basketball's pitiful factory to create some armor.
You coming, Winner?
I just made this new alliance and I want to see it through and...
Okay, bye.
It's nice to see you cooperating with the team, Golf Ball. Listening is a true sign
Not
of...
only that, but I need you as my practice dummy. Get inside. Okay. Who is it? Why didn't that work? Just get over here. Oh, it's you.
No! Don't take it!
Whatever.
Remember, stay strong.
I'm so strong.
What the spongy? Get off me! Leave me alone!
Oh, pretend you didn't see me. Or we can just pretend that, like... Ah! Please don't hurt me!
Fine! Quit or I take you out right now!
I don't even know what the challenge is! Okay, I quit!
Okay, just waiting to confirm and... Okay, yeah, fine.
Owie!
Hey guys, can...
Not now, Pen! Introducing my latest...
Golf Ball! I cannot go through another failed experiment!
Okay, so my last few attempts have had some hiccups. In the pursuit of science, sacrifices have to be made. Voila! I introduce you to my latest and greatest.
Whoa! What's it called?
Ha! This extremely advanced tech simply doesn't require a name.
Couldn't think of one, could you?
Not a single idea. None. The shooter. Shooty 2000. No. Whatever.
Golf Ball! Fellow RUOKer!
Perfect. Our first experiment.
Wow! GB! This is so cool!
Oh, I mean...
How did you build this so quickly? You know, GB, you have a real special mind. You're lucky.
You know, maybe we should hold off and do this on someone else. Okay, we clearly need to make some modifications. Back to the lab. What the... Donut, where'd you go?
The things I do for a cleaner hotel. Ugh. Hold up.
Hello?
Unacceptable.
They just don't care about his pen.
Where'd you get that idea?
Someone help me! Ah! Not this place again. Grassy, be gone!
I don't think my friend Four could have anything to do with this deal stuff.
We can't really trust any of them, Purpleface. We don't even know where Two sends the others. They could be making their own promises they don't keep.
She misled us! She promised she'd let us go, but instead she sent us to some barren wasteland.
Force sent her away last time. I doubt he'd want to work with her. But then why is she back? And why send us here?
Four is a great buddy. He's different.
And how long have you been here?
A year?
Exactly! We got too comfortable with these guys, but we can't trust any of them!
Hey! Nah, I get it. Can't lie.
Here it is!
Help, people!
Did you find anyone else in here?
No, all alone.
That's odd. You didn't find 3 this whole year?
3? There's even more of you?
What do you think comes between 2 and 4?
Well. Looks like I found the one responsible for a murder.
Yes, Tree, I'm trying to locate...
Don't shush me.
What the... Tree, what are you doing?
Keeping you afloat, away from hurting... No, what? What am I doing? Golf Ball, I am so sorry. What was that? Ugh.
Coming through! Oops, sorry, Tree!
Ouchie!
Snatch!
No! Aha! A book!
Weird. we're here also?
I don't care about you, Bobby or Money Tag. You hate me, but really, if we're not allies, then surely you won't mind me taking that power from you.
I think Saw threw that. Remember Saw?
Go, winner! Take tacky and... I could have acted a little reluctant. Ha! Are you kidding? You dum-dum, I should have just gotten rid of you. I don't have time for your nonsense, and if you're gonna keep doing... Bessie?
You'll be okay, Taggy. I just reckon we need some help.
Oh, hi guys. Did you see the sky? Wild.
And don't even think about eating our food, traitors!
We weren't gonna eat your chips.
I was gonna try a little.
You can't even eat, Taggy.
Oh, right.
Ah! No! Not!
Not happy to see me again, Donut? Last time didn't go so well, huh? Maybe you were smart not to accept. I don't know. You know, those yo-yo lights hold a lot of power. Power I haven't gotten to have for a long time. It was so kind of those rejects to lead me right to them. Had no idea those are still rattling around here. Katie would still be here if not for them.
Not here? Where is she?
She's gone. You'll remember the original timeline because of this little thing, but she's gone. Poof.
Ow! David and Dora?
Without a trace. Pretty cool, huh?
What? Can you bring her back?
Probably.
Will you?
It was all because of this silly little contract. Silly friends of yours signing themselves away for a short promise. So kind. Too kind. I just had to find the right people. The only ones not to sign were you and that annoying Leaf. I'll give it to you. She was worse. But time's running out, Donut. I'm gonna need that bit of choose power you've got. So hand it over.
No!
Bad move! All done.
Wait, what?
Where'd your friend go?
Hey, Buzzbag! Buzzbag! She was just here!
No! Undo it! Undo it!
Nope, she's gone too. See this list? One more goes if you don't give it over.
Cut it out!
Your choice!
Fine, I'll do it! Just cut it out already!
Thanks for helping me, Basketball. I didn't realize these bozos needed so much break time.
Schmiggly. Schmaggly.
What the? Basketball, where'd you go?
Another gone! Wanna go again?
No, just take it already! Whatever!
Yes! Phew. It's always good to have some backups just in case. You're done now. Bye, Donut!
Brought this on yourself, one.
Oh, my bakery! I have to warn you!
Black Hole, you clearly know what I'm talking about. No one on the team appreciated my work. I wish one of you stood up with me before I got stuck away for years. It was all I had to think about, while you just got to have fun playing.
Lai, you think it's been easy for me? After you left, it was hard to keep things under control. Fanny caused a lot of trouble on the team, but that was the only way for me to realize that there has to be compromise on the team. Lai, I appreciated your time on Death Pact. I don't mean to sabotage you. With help from Fanny, I've been holding myself back less, and it's not that bad. Maybe you should start doing that too. Bottle, hey, come on, little guy. No more of this.
Kiwi, thanks, Black Hole. Finally, now nothing can hurt me.
since I'm out, maybe I can help GB if she's still in. Oh, maybe RoboFlower Shop has something that can help me. Anything to protect me from that disgusting monstrous creature. Note to self, make it clear how dumb it is in my research. What I meant to say was...
Guys, we're a team! The underdogs!
Why should we fight your battles for you? You got to play, not us! Do it yourself!
That robot attacked me for nothing!
Just seems like a bad idea, guys.
If we let them take us down, then we're proving we didn't deserve to be here. Let's show we're not just failures.
Whatever. Okay, fine.
That's the spirit! Kinda.
Pencil should still be downstairs. If all 26 of us take her on, there's no showing what we can
22.
do. What?
22. Conchel, Onigiri, Camera are all gone. And non-existity doesn't exist.
Where'd they...
What's her deal?
She's newish too. I don't really know yet.
So what was that about, Winner?
Guys, she's gone.
Okay, I'm gonna head back inside.
Come on, anything, please! Huh?
Winner.
So cheap! Lie, stop! Okay, I'm sorry. Let's work together, okay? Please, 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 please.
What? Who are you?
I think we should chat, Black Hole. And I'm getting real tired of you holding back that rift of mine.
Yours? What? Hello?
What was that? What's going on? Ow! Hey, two can play at that game. You gotta stop having that much power! You want to talk? Pencil. You shouldn't have that pencil. You don't know how to use it. Oh, should I do what you do? When you trap people away for years? When you twist us up, spin us around, for what?
viewers, Deathpack yet again and couldn't pull through and are up for elimination. You get 1 vote per team, so use your votes wisely. Use the poll in the description to cast the votes for the contestants you want safe. The contestants with the least votes on each team will leave the show.